गोय शूटिंग बॉल संघटनेन गोय खेळा प्राधिकरण आणि भारतीय शूटिंग बॉल महासंघाच्या जोड पालवान 32वी राष्ट्रीय शूटिंग बॉल सर्त दवरल्या. 8, 9 आणि 10 नोव्हेंबराक मोर्जे खेळा खात्याच्या ग्राउंडार दादले आणि बायलो अशा 2 गटांनी सर्त जातली. सर्तीत 50 पंगड वांटेकार जाल्यात.
The Shooting Ball Association of Goa has organized 32nd Shooting Ball National Championship under the auspices of the Sports Authority of Goa and the Shooting Ball Federation of India on 8th, 9th and 10th November at Morjim Directorate of Sports Ground. The opening ceremony of this 32nd Shooting Ball National Championship will be held on 8th November at 8 p.m. in the hands of His Excellency Honorable Shri Bharat Veer Vanshu, Governor of Goa, and in the distinguished presence of Honorable Shri Lakshmikant Parsekar, Minister for Health, Panchayat, Captain of Ports and Animal Husbandry, and Mr. Shripad Ji Naik, Honorable MP for North Goa. This is the first time national event going on in the history of Pernem Taluka, and this is the second time Shooting Ball Association of Goa is organizing national championship in the state of Goa. Altogether 25 states from our country will participate in this national championship, and altogether 50 teams from both the wings, senior men and senior women, will going to participate in this mega event.
पस्तीस हजार पणट्यांच्या उजवाडाची वेगळीच दिवाळी बिरेस्तारा सांजे पणजेकारांक पळोवंक मेळ्ळी. तिनसांचे बोग द वाग साईबाबाच्या देवळाचो वाठार पणट्यांनी झगमगतालो. आयचे इमेजींत पळयात साई संस्थान मंदिराची ही 35,000 दिव्यांची दिवाळी. इतल्याने खबरांची हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.